Ever wondered which animal boasts the thickest fur in the world? The answer might surprise you. It's the sea otter. Sea otters have the densest fur of any animal on Earth, with an astounding 1 million hairs per square inch. Imagine that. This thick fur is a vital survival tool for these creatures. It helps them to stay warm in freezing water temperatures, providing an insulated layer that traps body heat. But it's not just about warmth. Their fur also traps a layer of air which aids in buoyancy, helping them float effortlessly on the water's surface. So, the next time you're pulling on your winter coat, spare a thought for the sea otter, the true master of cozy warmth. Remember, nature always has its fascinating ways of adaptation. Stay curious, explore more,